Hey guys, welcome back. So today is 17th of April and Satra Khatra. So obviously today's days was a loss for me. And what is my entry and what are my exits and where did I book my loss and where did I took my entries and what is the reasons for that we'll discuss about it, right? So let's start. There are some things when people will going to tell you that you can't make a money using this intraday, and obviously stop doing that. Obviously when you don't follow the rules, obviously you will lose the money. That's the first and simple formula we have. And the second thing is, when you're using some advanced tool like this, obviously you will get a very smaller stop losses to keep, right? So I will make you clear that what are the reasons that what I have initiated my trades. And personally I do trade based on this lot management system. So when we learn about these order flow strategies, right, we have some things when we discuss in when we go with the students, and we share some secrets with them. See, when we have a weaker setup, then we trade with the smaller quantities. When we have a strong setup, we trade with the bigger quantities. So what it will going to help us to trader, that whenever they lose, they will lose a small, and whenever they big make a profit, they will book a very huge profit. So that's the reason I do prefer the managing about the lot management. And in this video we will tell us about what are these your entries and how many quantities we took, and where exactly our entries and what is the reasons for trailing or stop loss, and what could be our losses and how many points of losses that we book, right? So let's start. On the first candle itself has given a sharp moment toward the downside, and it has broken all those levels. This itself has given me convinced that okay, somewhat we may expect a bearish trade today. But when you look into the market profile, so still it is telling you that still the buyers are in control and still the buyers want to push this market upside. So today's I was expecting either to take a shell position whenever the market will give you some good pullback, right? So at that position I'm going to take a sell position, and whenever the market was trying to form something and get some delta at the support, then I'm going to take a buy position. This is a simple setup what I was following. And this first candle itself has given a breakdown of this level, and I was initiated my limit sell order as 17,740. Due to the heavy huge selling are available at this price, so it didn't reach, my order was not executed. Again I have took some buy lots here, and I have initiated two lots, right? So when it is when my what is my intention, that when you're trying to test this 5 MA, I will try to trail my stop loss to the break even point. So 17,700 and 7 was my entry, and 17,705 was my trail stop loss. Sudden within the 5 minutes, I have booked my stop loss and exited from the market. But out of the two lots, the one lot I have booked here, and I was expecting the market will make some double bottom and bounce back, but this candle didn't happen. So again we have got some proper breakout of this trade, and I need to book my loss over here. Okay, so after that what happened, again the price was forming here, and I have initiated my buy trade over here with the somewhat bigger quantities than whatever executed trades over here, right? So from 17,663 to 17,695, we have proper reasons to book our profit over here because of the previous POC, we can say, or the current market POC, you can say, or some of the EMAs were plotting at this level. For that reason I was taking some trade over here, and I have executed, and I have booked around again around 25 points of profit over here. I have generated the 25 points of a profit. But when the market was struggling to make some things and I was getting some data, I have executed some of the sell lots over here on this candle. Okay, so what happened, the price was testing this VWAP level. I was expecting that either it will going to test this VWAP and will give some more downside, but next candle itself has given a bounce back, and this is made me confirm that okay, somewhat I need to trail my stop loss above this candle. So what I did, I have trailed my stop loss above this candle, and I sit quiet, I haven't did anything. So again when I have seen this candle, so again looking into the caught high, caught low, and looking into this delta and everything, I have added some more sell positions. Okay, so at 17,000 715 was my execution price. So and 40 was my stop loss for that, somewhere around 15, 25, 30, 25 points of a stop loss over here, right? So I was just waiting to what is exactly going to form and expecting some kind of things. And when this, I have seen this formation of this candle. So by looking into some other data, delta, max delta, min delta, and commitment of traders. So again, it made me to realize that okay, something were happening. So rather than keeping all our stop loss here, I will divide these quantities, and I will half of the lots or half of the quantities I am going to keep a stop loss above this green candle, and remaining I will kept it here. Okay, whatever the entries I have took here, so this could be nearest point to exit, right? So what this next candle itself hit our stop loss and we were exited from the market, and this candle was executed our remaining stop losses and we have just executed from the trend, right? And look at how does the complete market has given a momentum from there. Rather than booking more than some more losses, we need to control our losses, and this is how I do manage my lots management, and this is how to initiate my trades. Within a single candle, I have punched a big quantities for each and every confirmation and each and every data that I have took this trade, and this is how I have managed my lot management and risk management. Obviously, stop loss is the just a part of the game. It doesn't matter that your stop loss will not going to hit. Obviously, you just need to manage it, right? That's the only thing, yeah, you need to learn in intraday. So if someone tells you that they have a strategy like 99.9% in intraday, they are completely lying about this. Okay, so there is nothing called 100% strategy. Even of the order flow, we do commit that 95% could be our strategy, right? So this is the success rate that what we expect. Even sometimes the 90% is also good for us. So based on depend on the market, how it is behaving and how strong the setup or how weak the setup. So based on that, we do initiate our trades with these quantities and with the lot management. So this is the biggest loss that what I have booked on this previous 2 to 3 months. I need to take the screenshot of this every day and what are the mistakes that I did, and what exactly the reasons that whatever the actions that I did, and I haven't did any mistake. That's I'm perfectly right over that, because the dividing my entire quantities, trailing stop loss toward this candle and remaining over here, I was perfectly right to taking the decision on that, right? So I will take this day entire screenshot and I will add to my history, trade history, that what are the things that you got learning here, and hope this will not, you are not going to repeat this problem one more time. Otherwise you will not going to repeat this error one more time. So then only you will be in a profitable, otherwise you will be in a loss, right? So try to see what's happening and take a trade accordingly. So these are my entries and exits, and this is how I just managed my lot management system and everything. If you got something learn about these my entries and exits, then please let me know, and if you need anything about these things, then please do comment below. We are happy to help you. Thank you for joining this small analysis with us. Thank you. See you in this next video.